Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. In this example I will cover the Excel Today function. The Excel Today function returns the serial number of the current date. The serial number can be shown as an integer or a formatted Excel date. The Today value can be used by Excel for date and time calculations. The Today function requires no additional arguments. If you wish to follow along, in the description below I have added a link to my Excel resources where you can download the Excel Today example file. In the first example, I will show you some of the basic ways the Today function can be utilized. In column A, there are examples on how we want to use the Today function, and in column B is where I will create the function and show the results. For row 2, we are looking for the current date. So in cell B2, I will use the base today function, equals today, open and close parentheses. In row 3, we want the date 10 days from today. In cell B3, the formula will be equals today, open and close parentheses, plus 10. This will give us our date 10 days from today. For row 4, we are looking for the days difference between the current date and January 1st, 2040. To return the correct value, cell B4 should be formatted as a number. Our formula in B4 will be equals date value, open parentheses, quote, 1/1/2040, double quote, close parentheses, minus today, open and close parentheses. The number of days between today and January 1st, 2040 have been returned. If you wish to know more about the date value function, I have linked my video in the description below. In the next 3 rows, we will get the day, month, and year. I have videos on day, month, and year also linked in the description below. In cell B5, the formula will be equals day, open parentheses, today, open and close parentheses, close parentheses. This returns our day. In cell B6, the formula to return the month will be equals month, open parentheses, today, open and close parentheses, close parentheses. And finally, in B7, to get the year, use equals year, open parentheses, today, open and close parentheses, and close parentheses. In the practical example, I will be flagging the age of my invoice using the if, and today functions. You can find my videos on the Excel if and Excel and functions in the description below. In column A, we have our invoice numbers. Column B, we have the date the invoices were created. So to be able to use this example at any time in the future, I have made column B dynamic. Each date is created using the today function, adding days so we will have the desired results. If you look at cell B2, I have used the formula equals today, open and close parentheses, minus 200. This will allow the example to flag column F when I create my example formulas. I've also done this with rows 3 through 6. In columns C through F are the fields we will be using to flag our aging. Column C are invoices 0 to 30 days. Column D are invoices between 31 and 90 days old. Column E are 91 to 180 days old. And column F are for all invoices older than 180 days. Let's start with column C. We are looking for invoices that are 30 days or less. Our formula will be using the if function along with the today function. In cell C2, the formula will be equals if, open parentheses, today, open and close parentheses, minus B2, less than or equal to 30, comma, double quote, X, double quote, comma, double quote, close parentheses. We are only looking to flag invoices that are less than or equal to 30. That is the first part of our logic. If the result is true, then it will place an X in the cell. If not true, the value will be blank. As you can see, rows 5 and 6 are less than 30 days, so an X has been placed in cell C5 and C6. Next, let's move to column D, 31 to 90 days old. In cell D2, enter the formula equals if, open parentheses, and, open parentheses, today, open and close parentheses, minus B2 is greater than 30, comma, today, open and close parentheses, minus B2 is less than or equal to 90, close parentheses, comma, double quote X, double quote, comma, double quote, close parentheses. Using the AND statement allows us to check two conditions. If they are both true, then an X will be added to the cell. Column E follows the same logic as column D, so we will use the same formula logic. This time we are looking for dates between 91 and 180. And finally, column F, here we will use the same formula logic as we did in column C, except we are looking for days greater than 180. There, now we can easily look at our table and see the aging of our invoices. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.